Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Body Herbals Anti-Cellulite Coffee Skincare Gift Set, an 8-piece 100% vegan luxury hamper for women and men, perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or any special celebration. It's packed with a vanilla shower gel, anti-cellulite, apricot massage oil, coffee body scrub, body roller massager, aroma diffuser, lemongrass, potpourri, bath puff, and 2 tea lights, all designed to invigorate and firm skin with a rich coffee scent. Let's see if it's a spa-worthy gift. First up, the packaging. It's stunning. Shipped by Pure Earth Enterprises on Amazon. It arrived in a chic brown box with a brown ribbon. Per Amazon, it's gift ready, and Nika reviews call it magical. No wrapping needed. Starting with the vanilla shower gel, 200 ml, I poured it onto the bath puff and it lathered into a creamy foam. The vanilla scent is warm and luxurious. Per Body Herbals, it's got skin conditioners. My skin felt clean and soft. Amazon users praise its hydration. Next, the anti-cellulite apricot body massage oil, 65 ml. I massaged it with the body roller. Per web details, it's got turmeric to detoxify and firm. The scent is subtle and my skin felt toned after a week, though some Amazon reviews say results vary. Consistency is key. The Coffee Olive Vitamin E Body Scrub, 125G, is a star. I used it to exfoliate and it left my skin smooth and bright. Per Flipkart, it's great for circulation. Love the coffee aroma. The aroma diffuser with lemongrass, potpourri, and tea lights creates a spa vibe. I used them during my bath and felt relaxed. The bath puff and roller are high quality. This set's vegan, cruelty-free SLS and paraben-free with a pH 5.5. Not cheap at 18.99 rupees on Flipkart, but worth it for the luxe experience. Ideal for couples. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what's next.